Welcome in learning session of CAM and follower. Myself Jitendra Bhatt, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Kolhapur Institute of Technology, College of Engineering, Kolhapur. After watching this video, the learners will be able to describe concept of CAM and follower, identify various types of CAM, identify various types of follower, known application of CAM and follower. Start with concept of CAM and follower. Here I shown animation of CAM and follower system. CAM is a driving machine element. Follower is a driven machine element. CAM is a mechanical member for transmitting a desired motion to a follower by direct contact. The CAM may remain stationary or translatory, whereas the follower may translatory or oscillatory. Because of the various CAM geometries and the large number of CAM and follower combination, the CAM is extremely versatile mechanical element. Although a CAM and follower may be designed for motion, path or function generation, the majority of application utilize the CAM and follower for function generation. If you look at this animation of CAM and follower mechanism, it is a typical CAM follower system in which CAM is fixed to rotating shaft. The rotary motion of CAM is imparted to roller follower, which is oscillating in the guides. The direct contact between CAM and follower is maintained due to self weight of follower and the spring force. Mechanism convert rotary motion into linear motion. Next point, types of CAM. Classification of CAM based on shape. There are three different types of CAM: disc CAM, cylindrical CAM, wedge CAM. We will learn one by one. Disc CAM. In a disc CAM, the position of the follower is determined from the CAM axis. The follower reciprocate or oscillate in a plane at right angle to the axis of CAM. This CAM is very much popular due to its simplicity and compactness. Cylindrical CAM and wedge CAM. In cylindrical CAM, a cylinder which has a circumferential counter cut into a surface of rotation, the follower reciprocate or oscillate in a plane parallel to the axis of the CAM. In cylindrical CAM, cylindrical roller follower are usually used. So if we compare disc CAM along with cylindrical CAM, so disc CAM is having a right angle to each other, and in the cylindrical CAM they have at a parallel position. The third type of CAM, wedge CAM. Flat CAM has a wedge which is a general, has a translation motion. The follower may either translate or oscillate. Next, types of follower. Classification of follower based on surface contact. Number 1, knife edge follower. Number 2, roller follower. We will learn one by one. Knife edge follower, in which a sharp knife edge is in contact with cam. It is the simplest in construction but very little practical use due to fact that extreme wear of the cam surface and the contact surface will take place. If you look at this figure, knife edge follower, the surface contact is knife edge, and due to the wear between knife edge and the contacting surface of cam. Roller follower. Roller follower, since the rolling motion takes place between contacting surface, therefore the rate of wear is greatly reduced. The roller action at low speed is pure rolling, but as the speed increases, sliding occurs. It is widely used in cam and follower system. There is one disadvantage. Roller follower can be jams the cam in case of steep rise. Third and fourth type of follower, flat face follower and spherical follower. In flat face follower, here the contacting end of the follower is perfectly flat face. The relative motion between the contact surface is largely of sliding nature. Spherical follower is a modification of flat face follower. High surface stresses can be reduced by using spherical face follower. Here I have added a reflection spot. So this is my question. I have added this reflection spot to think and give the answer of this particular question. What can be the types of follower on the basis of follower motion and line of movement of follower? Pause this video, list down your answer for 30 minutes. Again play this video. Type of follower. Classification based on type of motion. Oscillating follower, reciprocating follower. Oscillating follower. If you look at this figure, oscillating follower, in which the cam rotates and the follower oscillates about a suitable pivot on the frame. So oscillating motion of follower in the oscillating follower. In reciprocating follower in which the cam rotates and the followers reciprocate or translate in the guides. Classification based on line of motion of follower. Again there are two types. Number 1, inline follower and offset follower. Inline follower is called radial follower also. In radial or inline follower, the line of action of movement of follower passes through the center of rotation of the cam. So the line of action of the movement passes through the action of rotation. Offset follower, in which the line of action of the moment of the follower is offset from the center of rotation of the cam. So in short we can say, in inline follower the axis of follower and the axis of cam is inline. In the offset follower the axis of follower and the axis of cam is having offset. Applications. Internal combustion engine. In internal combustion engine, inlet valve and outlet valve will open and close due to the action of cam and follower mechanism. printing machinery, textile machinery, gear cutting machinery, automatic lathe machine. So we can come to the conclusion. Cam and follower is a higher pair. As we know, when there is point contact in between two elements, then we called it as a higher pair. So cam and follower is having a point contact, so we called is a higher pair. Cam and follower system are frequently used in all kind of machine due to its ease of operation, especially in different type of machines. Easy for maintenance activity. Thank you. For queries or suggestion or comment on this video, kindly contact at email as well as mobile mentioned in the video. Thanks for watching this video. Happy learning.